One English true story. A box full of kisses. Here touching story. Some time ago a man punished his 3 years old daughter for wasting a roll of gold. White paper money was tight and he became infuriated when the child tried to decorate it a box to put under the Christmas tree. Nevertheless, the little girl brought the gift to her father the next morning and said, "This is for your daddy." The man became embarrassed by his overreaction early, but his rage continues when he saw that the box was empty. He yelled at her, "Don't you know when you give someone a present there is supposed to be something inside?" The little girl looked up at him with tears in her eyes and cried, "Oh, Daddy, it not empty at all. It blow kisses into the box. They re all too for you, Daddy." The father was crushed. He put his arms around his little girl and they begged for her forgiveness. Only a short time later, an accident took the life of the child. Her father kept the gold box by his bed for many years, and whenever he was discouraged, he would take out an imaginary kiss and remember the love for the child who had put it there.